National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Orange County in southeastern New York until 8 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near White Lake to near Narrowsburg to Mount Cobb, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Port Jervis around 7:25 p.m. Middletown around 7:30 p.m. Walden and Goshen around 7:40 p.m. Chester around 7:45 p.m. Florida around 7:50 p.m. Warwick around 7:55 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.